Well, there were over 150 arrests at Coachella 2014, and the number seems to increase every year. So what are the do's and don'ts that you need to know to keep out of trouble?
Our next guest is here with tips to avoid getting arrested. Please welcome criminal defense attorney and founder of a website called arrestedatcoachella.com, Jerod Gunsberg. We love this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell us more about the website. How'd you come up with the idea?
Well, we wanted to put together an informative but fun website that explained the type of conduct that can get you arrested at Coachella that people commonly engage in. That seems like common sense, but once people are in the world of Coachella, they think that anything goes.
Right.
And
they lose their judgment.
They lose their judgment, and that's not necessarily true. California state law still does apply, even at the festival. And we just wanted to get the information out there in a way that's fun and accessible.
All right, we're going to go through several scenarios reenacted, starring some of our crew members and our staff here at KTLA. Going to get your professional advice, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first one.
That guy just pushed me in the mosh pit.
Who? Nobody pushes my girl in the mosh pit. Where is he?
Bobby scared me just now. Can you get arrested for fighting at Coachella?
You absolutely can get arrested for fighting at Coachella. And you can, in that scenario there, he really should just relax, chill out a little, go find a security guard, go find the police. That was not a case of self-defense where he wasn't using reasonable force to prevent his girlfriend from being hurt. You can't go get revenge.
Right.
You got to go find the police.
All right, scenario number 2 with our KTLA Morning News actors.
Hey, girl.
Hey, gorgeous.
Whoa, dude, I am digging the buds on that righteous headband. They look good enough to smoke.
I'm loving your beads.
Woo! Hey, wait a second. She has to tell me if she's a cop, right?
We know that there are undercover officers there. Do they have to indicate to you that they're an officer?
This is one of those urban myths that never seems to go away. The police absolutely do not have to tell you that they're undercover. If you think about it, how would law enforcement ever conduct an undercover operation?
Right.
That scenario also was an entrapment. Entrapment is very complicated and for another day. But no, the police do not have to tell you they're undercover.
All right, how about this one? Take a look.
You guys, my man's passed out in a tent. Do you want to buy this ticket? Can I sell this ticket?
Is it okay to sell your extra ticket?
Well, you can sell a Coachella ticket for face value. You cannot sell it for over face value. That is against the rules. The other issue there is whether it's your boyfriend or not, you need to get permission from somebody. If they're passed out because they've been drinking too much and you take their property and sell it, that is theft.
All right, here we go with the KTLA Morning News actors. The next scenario.
I'm at Coachella, and it's all about the love.
I want to be loved. Is that okay?
So the question they put in the prompter is, can you hook up or get naked at Coachella?
Well, you can hook up as long as there is consent.
Right.
That is obviously no means no,
right.
And that is a very serious issue. That is very serious. If somebody that you don't know is intoxicated, you have to be very careful. Intoxication means no consent.
But the naked thing, that can result in some pretty
serious things. The naked thing, don't get naked. In California, getting naked, if the police and the DA think that you got naked to sexually gratify yourself or offend someone else, and you're convicted of indecent exposure on those grounds, you could be forced to register as a sex offender for the rest of your life in California. I appreciate people's self-confidence, that they think everyone wants to see them in all their glory, but
maybe we don't.
Yeah.
Is topless considered naked?
That is, again, it's about context and the intent. But yes, it is considered nudity.
All right.
That's a different issue.
Last but not least, take a look.
Chad, this concert is amazing, but I think I drank way too much.
It's all right. Let's just lay down on the ground and sleep. It's Coachella. Nobody cares.
Dude, is that okay?
You're the dude. Is that okay?
Dude.
Can you get
Well,
arrested
as the
for
dude,
intoxication?
you can get arrested for intoxication. Public intoxication is a misdemeanor offense in California. And if they think you are on something stronger than alcohol, like an illegal drug, that's a separate misdemeanor, which is a little more serious than public
What
intoxication.
if you fall asleep?
Well, there's designated camping areas within Coachella. If you just fall asleep, the security may find you to render aid to make sure you're okay, but try to make it back to your tent. You can only sleep in designated areas.
Jerod, are you going to Coachella?
I am not going to Coachella. I will be in the air conditioning at home.
There you go.
And we apologize for what you just witnessed here.
Oh, that's okay. I've seen it all.
I think that was fantastic. Once again, the website is called arrestedатcoachella.com. More information about Jerod, you can also go to gunsberglaw.com. Thank you again for being with us.
Thank you.